Welcome to the info with me Nokia T21, and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So just to turn off our tablet, we should press the power key button for a few seconds. And if you get the same situation, you can see that the Google Assistant is activated, and if you wanna just use your power key button just only to turn off the device or to turn it on, you should click to the settings and then scroll down to the system section, then click to the gestures and tap to press and hold power button and just tap to the switch off to turn off Google Assistant. And now just let's press the power key once again, and we can see the power off menu. So just to turn off the device, click the power off icon, wait a second, and after that we can see that the screen is dark, and this means that our device is turned off. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.